back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into import data into leads from Excel. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to format your Excel file, map fields correctly, and ensure a smooth data import into your CRM section. So grab a sheet, hit that like button, and let's jump into the today's topic. This is a leads page. You go to you have if you see that in the right side corner settings gear button, there is an option import option. So if you click that import option, so this is the you need to uh, choose the format, CSV format, data file encoding. Every time you can choose ASCII value. You can default mention the responsible person. It is automatically mentioned who are admin, who the person has. It's a default fetch into this responsible person. If you want to edit, you can mention as a responsible person. This is a name format, the first name then the last name. You choose CSV. It's nothing but comma related. So you can every time choose comma column separator. So first of all, you can prefer your Excel sheet in your local PC. Choose your local PC. Choose your Excel file and click that open. So then automatically the file will fetch into this, and click the next button. So it's still loading. See this file is format is Excel SX. So this format is not accepted in the Bittrex. So you can choose CSV format. So for that, in our browser, there is an conversions are there. Excel let's to CSV file. So you can choose that converter, and then you can prefer suitable Excel file CSV format, comma separated colon. So I have already available CSV file. I made a CSV file. So I choose CSV file in this file CSV data section. Prefer the ASCII value. I mentioned default my name. We can choose comma separated. Next, click the next button. There is a something error is coming. So you can go back and choose suitable file. Again, you can prefer ASCII value. Put it as a response person default. Choose a comma separated and click the next button. See this, the file is accepted. After that, you can choose your data types. See this, these from the left side, all are Excel fields. These are Bittrex fields. You can need to map properly. Then only the data, whatever the data is in the Excel sheet, that data will fetch into the Bittrex section. So I preferred just a randomly job title. It's like this. I selected random values, random field section in the Bittrex. But you choose proper fields, then only the data will landing into respective field section in the Bittrex. And click the next button. Configuration page. Import all automatically. Whatever the data existing in the Excel sheet, the data will importing into the into lead section. Replace existing means, for example, if you have already imported same file into the Bittrex, but some you are facing some errors. So without deleting existing data, if you are replacing, if you are click the radial button, replace existing means, then automatically previous data, uh, the data will automatically deleted. Uh, Currently, what data you can imported the data existing. Next, merge option is you have already imported data, but some fields are missing. If you want to what fields values are missing, that fields you need to mm, landing into in the respective field section. So for that you can use merge option. So if there is no anything, skip. So I choose uh, currently I didn't import anything previously. uh, in merge option I cannot prefer right now. Why? Because I am in newly data imported from Excel sheet to Bittrex. So I choose import all, and you can click the next button. Then automatically the data will imported in the Bittrex. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any thoughts or questions about importing lead data from Excel? Drop them into comments below and I will be sure to get back to you. Catch you in the next one, whether we will continue exploring the best tool to optimize our workflow. Thank you.